Hi, this is Greg McIntyre and
Stephanie McIntyre.
my lovely wife, Stephanie. And we are part of McIntyre Elder Law, helping seniors protect their assets and legacies. And we just heard the governor today come out with a state of emergency for our state and declare that public schools were closed for 2 weeks. So all public schools are closed for 2 weeks. We have a few children. Tucker, could you maybe show a few of our children in this room, okay? Okay, so we have a few children. They're hanging out with us tonight. We stopped by the office to respond to that state of emergency. Steph and I are both going to be taking care of our children for the next couple of weeks, but we're also going to be working hard for you. Our office right now will remain open, and we have Purell, we have hand sanitizer, we clean our office regularly, and we're ready to see clients. Part of my concern is that...
And we're well stocked with cleaning supplies and anything else that we need.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely. And part of my concern is that they've closed or quarantined nursing homes and assisted living facilities, community health care facilities, which means that not only can family members not come in or out, but also that our residents come out, family members not being allowed to come in and visit, but also that professionals like attorneys would not be allowed to come in and visit. And notaries would not be allowed, witnesses would not be allowed to come in and visit. Steph and I redid our estate plan last summer.
Yes,
And
July.
what's that?
Around July.
Around July? Yeah. And there was a really big peace of mind that I got, or peace, from having that done.
Sure, I think we both had a huge, I don't know, just a weight lifted, just knowing that things were the way that we wanted them to be.
Sure.
That things would be handled if something happened to both of us the way that we wanted to. And that feels good.
It feels
very good.
Feels great. We have powers of attorneys, general dribble, the financial power of attorney. We have the healthcare powers of attorneys we put in place. So we've already appointed that Stephanie can handle anything. If I got the coronavirus, if you did, I would be able to handle anything. We've already taken care of that. I would ask you to take inventory and evaluate. Have you taken care of those things ahead of time? Is your estate plan ready to survive this state of emergency? That's my concern. Because if you do get diagnosed and you're quarantined, Stephanie, do they quarantine the whole family?
I think so. I'm not 100% sure, but
How that works?
I think so.
Right. And so
I
that...
don't know that even, I don't know that we know exactly what the process is, or.
I don't think it's been widely publicized.
No.
And
I think there's a lot that we don't know.
things that are mysteries to me, or that I
we
don't
know.
yeah, the things that I don't know scare me a little bit. So I think it's time to stop, get off the merry-go-round of kind of the 24-hour news cycle and anxiety and depression that's being peddled on every channel. Hang out with loved ones. We had a great breakfast this morning, hanging out. I love hanging out with my family.
We're gonna do a lot of hanging out over the next
We're
few
doing a lot of
weeks.
hanging out over the next few weeks.
I feel like everyone's gonna have the houses cleaner than they've ever been.
I sent her something that I saw on a divorce attorney's face today that said, like, the divorce attorneys were ready, like, what would happen after husbands and wives spent several weeks together under quarantine, right? And her response was what?
I don't remember now. I mean, I know that sounds crazy, but I don't remember.
You said, can't they just go outside, right?
Oh, yeah.
Like, can't we just go outside and hang out? And yeah, we can. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, so I don't think that's a negative thing at all. We'll be at work every day at the office, taking care of our employees, our team members, our other attorney. We'll be taking care of our families, and we'll be taking care of you and your family too. So I would challenge you to evaluate is your estate plan or your legal planning documents ready for this state of emergency? Could you withstand a quarantine? And do you have the right people appointed to handle your hard-earned money and property if you're in a situation where you can't? There is not an electronic notary witness signature statute in this state. So you would have to be able to be in front of a witness or notary for them to notarize a document that you signed, like an estate planning document. If you're in quarantine, that cannot happen. Okay? That is my concern, and that's what I see from an estate planning and elder law attorney's perspective. And that's scary if you don't have that in place. I feel great because we have that in place.
Right.
In fact, we're talking about doing an elder law report where we actually openly discuss what our estate plan is.
Okay.
And I think that's important so that people understand
Sure.
what an elder law and estate planning attorney would have in place for his family.
Right.
And his wife would have in place for her family.
Because a lot of people have no idea
Right.
what those documents mean or what they do, and clarify that with, not just simple terms, but just to show people exactly what it does and what it's for. I think it's a great idea.
Sometimes when you have 6 children, every day is a state of emergency, right? There's something to handle every day. So,
It's the art of adaptability.
and rolling with the punches. We were talking about it. This is just a great lesson of rolling with the punches. So I hope everybody has a good day, a great weekend. Cut the TV off, unplug, and
Enjoy your family.
enjoy your family. If you need us, you can call us. Stephanie, how can they get in touch with us?
They can call us here at the firm at 704-749-9. Give me the last 4 digits.
244.
9244, or they can call us at 704-259-7040.
I changed the phone number
Yes.
not too long ago, and I was looking at her to see if she knew what the whole phone. 704-749-9244. Thanks so much for.
Or you can go online. You can always go online and chat with us there.
Sure, you can go right online, and we have a 24-hour chat that where you can chat with us right there about these issues. If you also have any problems seeing loved ones, any of those things, they've become major problems, I want you to call our firm. I've already talked to Brenton and our team about it, and we're prepared to help you in any way possible. We are attorneys who deal with nursing homes and assisted living facilities every day, and we would be glad to go to bat for you and your family, regardless of the issue, okay? So give us a call, 704-749-9244, or online at mcelderlaw.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.